Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Morgan Stanley, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what budgeting means for your financial health. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements and expenses. Categorize your monthly income sources, such as salary, bonuses, and other earnings. Next, compile a list of your fixed expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Identify variable expenses that can fluctuate monthly, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once categorized, calculate your total monthly income and total monthly expenses. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your discretionary income. Assess your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Decide how much of your discretionary income you want to allocate towards savings and investments. Open a Morgan Stanley account if you don't already have one, to streamline your budgeting and investment process. Utilize Morgan Stanley's budgeting tools to track your income and expenses effectively. Input your financial data into these tools to visualize your budget. Review your spending patterns to identify areas where you can cut back. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals and priorities. Implement this budget for at least 1 month to see its effectiveness. Regularly review your budget and adjust it as necessary based on changes in income or expenses. Take advantage of Morgan Stanley's financial advisors for personalized budgeting advice. Consider setting up alerts for any budget categories that are close to being exceeded. Engage in regular financial education through Morgan Stanley's resources to improve your budgeting skills. Finally, stay committed to your budget and revisit your financial goals periodically to ensure you are on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.